interval 0, 2l, we know that Fourier series expansion of f of x in the interval 0, 2l is given by equation 1. That is f of x equals a naught by 2 plus summation n equals to 1 to infinity a n cos n pi x by l plus n equals to 1 to infinity b n sin n pi x by l. So now we have to find out the a naught, a n, b n in the interval 0 to 2l. So in the interval 0 to 2l, a naught will be given by 1 by l into 0 to 2l f of x dx. So either you can continue with the L itself. At the end, you can substitute the value of L. Otherwise, here itself you can substitute the value of L. In case if you are taking the interval as 0 to 3 means it's must and should you have to write the value of L as 1 divided by 3 by 2. So that means it will become 2 by 3. So here we have to integrate the function f of x, that is 2x minus x square, in the interval 0 to 3. So we know that integration of any polynomial function x is x power n plus 1, x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So then it will become 2 is constant and integration of x is x square by 2. So then 2 will get cancelled. So remaining thing is x square. 1 minute, I will close the door. So now, just you have to integrate this one. The integration of x is x square by 2. 2 will get cancelled. It will become only x square. And the integration of x square is x cube by 3. So now you apply the limits. So upper limit is 3 and lower limit is 0. So upper limit, if you substitute the value means, so it will become 3 square. 3 square is 9 and lower limit will become 0 minus 27. 3 cube means it will become 27 by 3 minus for both the terms, the lower limit will become 0. Just I have written 0 just for the reference of lower limit. So now 27 by 3 means it will become 9 only. 9 minus 9 is 0. Next, an is for the interval 0 to 2l, the function, the coefficient an will be given by 1 by l into integration over 0 to 2l f of x into cos n pi x by l into dx. So now I will substitute the value of l here itself and I will integrate with respect to 0 to 3 only in the interval 0 to 3. So L value is 3 by 2. So that means it will become 1 by L means it will become 2 by 3. Integration from 0 to 3, 2x minus x square. So here also in this cos n pi x by L, you have to substitute the value of L. L is 3 by 2. So that means, so denominator will come into numerator. That will become cos 2n pi x by 3. This thing you have to integrate with respect to x. This much, this is the integrand now. So now you have to apply the Bernoulli's rule, that is integration of uv. So here 2x minus x square I will take it as u, and this one cos n 2n pi x by 3 I will take it as v. So now 2x minus x square u into integration of v. Integration of cos ax is sin ax by a. So that means it will become sin 2n pi x by 3. So here 2n pi by 3, this is the constant. So that means it will be in the denominator. Once if you shifted into numerator means the denominator will come into numerator. That is, it will become 3 by 2n pi. Just you have to take reciprocal and you have to write in the numerator. Minus derivative of u. Derivative of 2x is 2 minus derivative of x square is 2x into integration of sin of 2n pi x by 3 into 3 by 2n pi. So once again you have to integrate this one. Integration of this one is minus cos 2n pi x by 3 into 3 square by 2 square n square pi square, or you can write 2n pi whole square. Next, plus derivative of this one 2 minus 2x, that is minus 2, and integration of this one once again minus cos 2n pi x by 3. So it will become minus sin 2n pi x by 3 into 3 cube by 2n pi whole cube. So this is the integration of the function 2x minus x square into cos 2n pi x by 3. All of you understood this one? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we have to apply the limit 0 to 3. So if you apply the limit means this sine function, so you have to substitute x equals 3. 3 will get cancelled, it will become 2n pi. And lower limit is 0. If you put 0 means this will be 0. So that means for both the upper and lower limit, this value will be 0. So that's why in the next step I will not write this value, as well as this third term also will be 0. Only we have to apply the limits for the second term. So in the second term, 3 square by 2 square into n square pi square is constant. I will take it out. So that means it will become 9 by 4 into n square pi square. So minus, here also minus is there. That's why it will become plus. So now you apply the upper and lower limits. If you put lower limit, upper limit means 2 minus 2 into 3. That is 2 minus 6 into cos. You have to, in place of x, you have to substitute x. If you substitute equals 3 means 3 will get cancelled. Remaining thing will become cos 2n pi. Minus 2 into 0. That is 2 into cos 0. That is minus 2 into cos 0. So now you have to simplify this one. So 2 minus 6 means 4 minus 4, and cos 2n pi value is 1. Also cos 0 value is 1. So then it will become minus 4 minus 2. That will be minus 6. So you can cancel minus 6 with here. 2 into minus 6 is minus 12. 3 into 4 is 12. So then you can cancel 12. The remaining thing will become minus 9 by n square pi square. So this is the required value of an. Any doubts in an? Any step? Anybody?
No,
No, sir.
Okay, then I'll move on to next one, Bn. So I hope so many guys they solved yesterday itself A0 An. Only thing was pending Bn. So now Bn is for the interval 0 to 2l, it will be given by 1 by l into 0 to 2l f of x sine n pi x by l dx. So now you substitute the value of l first. L is 3 by 2, so that means the reciprocal is 2 by 3. And 0 to 2l. 2l is value, 2l value is 3. F of x sine 2n pi x by 3. If you put l equals 3 by 2, it will become sine 2n pi x by 3. So now you have to apply the UV rule, integration of UV rule. That is Bernoulli's rule. First function is 2x minus x square, and second function is sine function, sine of 2n pi x by 3. Just to integrate this one by using Bernoulli's rule. U into integration of v, this one. Integration of sine 2n pi x by 3 is minus cos 2n pi x by 3 into 3 by 2n pi. Minus of derivative of 2x minus x square. Derivative of 2x minus x square is 2 minus 2x into integration of this one. It will become minus sine 2n pi x by 3 into 3 square by 2n pi whole square. Now derivative of this one will become plus of minus 2 into integration of this one will become cos 2n pi x by 3 into 3 cube by 2n pi whole cube. So now you have to apply the upper and lower limit. So if you put L equals, which one, x equals 3 means, so definitely wherever sine function will be there, this will vanish. For both the upper and lower limits, this will be 0. Only thing you have to apply the upper and lower limit for the first and third term. So now you simplify first a little bit, constant you take it out in the first and third term, then you can substitute the upper and lower limit. So in the first term, 3 by 2n pi, so here minus sign is there, so that means minus 3 by 2n pi is the constant. So that one you take it outside. So now you substitute the upper limit. If you substitute upper limit means 2 into 3 is 6, minus 3 square, that is 9, into, so here also you have to put x equals 3, 3 will get cancelled, remaining thing is cos 2n pi. Upper limit also, lower limit also I am applying here only. So term by term I apply. So if you put x equals 0 means this will become 0. That is 0 into anything is 0. So that means the lower term will become 0. Now coming to third term. In the third term, which is constant, minus 2 into 3 cube by 2n pi whole cube. So this is the constant, take it outside. So now for the remaining thing, apply the lower and upper limit. So if you put x equals 3, this will become cos 2n pi, and lower limit is cos 0. So cos 2n pi value is 1, also cos 0 value is 1. So that means this third term will get vanished. So now just you have to simplify the first term. In this one, you can cancel 2 to 3, 3. Remaining thing minus sign is there, minus 1 by n pi. Inside 6 minus 9 means it will become minus 3 cos 2n pi value is 1. That is minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 1 by n pi means it will become 3 by n pi. This is the value of Bn. Any doubts in any step of Bn?
No.
Okay. So now just to substitute a0, an, bn, then we will get the value like this: 2x minus x square equals 0 plus n equals to 1 to infinity minus n 9 by n square pi square cos 2n pi x by 3 plus 3 by n pi into sin 2n pi x by 3. So now you have to put x equals 3 by 2. So based on the required series, you have to decide the value of x. So now for the given required series, we have to put x equals 3 by 2 in this obtained series. So if you put x equals 3 by 2 means it will become 2 into 3 by 2 minus 9 by 4, which is equals to minus 9 by n square pi square into. So if you put here x equals 3 by 2 means 2 by 3 will get cancelled with 3 by 2. Remaining thing will become only cos n pi. And here it will become sin n pi. So that means sin n pi value is 0. So this summation will get vanished. So now remaining thing, so only first summation you have to expand by putting n equals 1, 2, 3, and we know that cos n pi means it will be minus 1 power n. So now I'll take minus 9 by pi square outside. If you took 9 by pi square outside means, so just to put n equals 1, it will become minus 1 raised to n, that is minus 1 by 1 square. Put n equals 2, it will become 1 by 2 square, minus 1 by 3 square, plus 1 by 4 square, minus 1 by 5 square, plus so on, like this. So now just to multiply this one, minus sign you take it outside, so then it will become 9 by pi square. So and then you cross multiply that one, pi square by 3 pi square by 9 into 4. So 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. So 4 into 3 means it will become pi square by 12. This is the required series. So that means, so 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square. This series will converge us to the value pi square by 12. Understood? Understood, guys? Any doubts? Only Tarun is.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, Pawan. So next I'll move on to next problem. Find a Fourier series for f of t equals 1 minus t square when minus 1 less than or equal to 1. So just I noted down the answer for this one because this is also a continuous function. So that's why I'm not written anything here. Just I noted down answer. Will you try this one in free time or will you try now? Which one is better?
We will try, sir.
Now we will try. Okay, all of you try. This is a simple problem only. So just I will tell hints. So minus 1 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 1 means what's the value of L? Anybody?
Minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2.
L value? Tarun, repeat once.
L value is minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, sir.
How it will be minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, Tarun? L value should be fixed. Only one value. It should not be two different values.
Okay, sir.
0.
Anybody else? What is the L value? Yes, somebody told. Your voice is not clear. Narendra. In the interval minus L to L means L value will become 1. Not half. L equals 1 only. 0 to 2L is there means you have to take 2L equals that one. 2L equals 1. So here it is, the interval is minus L to L. Minus L to L means L equals 1. This is not the interval 0 to 2L. It's the interval minus L to L. So that means L equals to 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, continue now. Remaining thing is same only, but you take minus L to L interval, that is minus 1 to 1, and L equals 1. At least we will try to finish 3 problems today in today's class. Do it fast. So, Mana, are you talking anything? It's showing little bit.
So rain not 2 by 3.
2 by 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, 2 by 3.
Is it? Okay. 2 by 3 divided by 2 means it should be 1 by 3. Yeah?
Sir,
Anybody, if you
answer
got
is 4 by 3.
4 by 3 is right, Pawan.
I'll check, sir.
Okay. Because here they are
Yes, sir,
mentioned 2
4
by 3. 4 by 3 is right. Sana, are you solving? Sana, your voice is not audible. You're talking, but it's not, I'm not be able to listen you. Maybe you are facing network issue. Shreya,
Yes, sir.
what's the unit value?
So there's always a problem.
Sana, your voice is not clear. You do it. At least you put message in chat box in case if you got the value means. Shreya, yours answer? A not?
4 by 3, sir.
Okay. Tejas B. Mukesh. Are you getting? Tejas, am I audible?
Yes. Yes,
Understanding the
sir.
solution? Are you getting the solution? Gopichand? Gopichand, am I audible? Telkar Sai Gopichand. 19 EC 751.
Sir.
Are you getting solution?
I'm getting.
Okay. Ujjwal? Ujjwal, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
What is the AN value?
Like still doing so.
Okay, do it, and after getting complete, just you tell me AN value.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir, is AN 4 by n pi square?
4 by n pi square or n square pi square?
Sir, n into pi whole square.
Yeah, n pi whole square. So right.
Yes, sir.
Can you guess the Bn value by saying the final answer? Pawan?
Yes, sir, I'll try.
Just to see this final solution.
0.
Yeah, 0.
Yes, sir.
Sir, minus 4 n pi whole square.
Minus 4 by n pi whole square. Huh? 1 minute.
Minus
Trisha.
4.
1 minute, 1 minute. So if you put n equals 1 means it will become cos n pi t. N pi t means exactly minus or minus 1 raised to n is there.
Sir, 4 into minus 1 the whole power n by n square square.
Yeah, right. This is correct. Pawan, check yours also. N value, alternative plus minus sign is there. Visha, you also check.
Yes. Yes, sir.
It should be minus 1
Okay,
raised to
sir.
n.
Yes, sir. Minus 1 power n is there.
Yeah. Then only you'll get alternative plus minus sign.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir, got it.
Yeah. Bhumika over. Bhumika P.
Yes, sir.
Completed.
I'm still doing BN.
Okay, okay. Bn will be 0. Actually, I'm taking more time for this one only. I observed other faculties are already in the end of this module. Once at least if you come into track means I will try to finish in minimum time. Tanushri over.
Solving BN, sir.
Okay. Subramanyam.
Yes, sir. Getting 0 BN.
Yeah, Bn 0. So in 5 minutes, try to complete it. So then we can discuss one more problem. Then in next class, we can start the next even and odd function.